Hey, this is Aaron Chen, and over the next few minutes, I want to show you exactly how I was able to generate over $81,000 in my online business, okay? Just by selling different types of products. And I want to show you some proof, so I'm going to log onto my business account and show you on my computer right here, okay? Hopefully you can see that, but you can see that I've generated there over $81,000 in my online business. So the question is, how did I actually do that, right? Well, over the next few days, I'm actually going to be holding a live online workshop where I'm going to show you exactly what I did inside my sales funnel in order to generate over $81,000, okay? So if you want to, there's a link somewhere above this video. You can register for that online workshop. Check it out, okay? But over the next few minutes, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to talk about the 3 main things that I do every single day in my online business that helps me to generate this type of income, right? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to bring you over to my living room, okay? I'm gonna share with you those 3 cool things, okay? So let's go over there. Alright, so welcome to my living room. Now, the first thing that you need to have to build a successful online business, right, is you need to be able to sell something, okay? And you know, there's lots of different things you can sell. You could sell physical goods, you could sell a service, or you could sell a digital item, right? I like digital goods because, you know, you don't have to store them in your garage, you don't have to store them in your house, you don't have to fill up, you know, your rooms with anything. Digital products, you can literally just send someone to a particular website and they can download it. Now, you might be asking yourself, well, Aaron, what kind of digital products, you know, do I sell? Well, the easiest thing to do is, you know, you should create them yourself, right? But think about some of the things that you love doing. So maybe you love to cook, maybe you love animals, right? Maybe you love golf, for example. You know, everyone is a pro at something, okay? So let's just take the dog training one, for example, yeah? So let's just say you know how to train dogs. Well, there are a bunch of people out there on the internet, right, looking for a way to stop their dogs from peeing on the carpet, for example. So what you could potentially do is create a short little, you know, report, maybe a 10 or 20 page report, teaching people how to stop dogs from actually peeing on the carpet, okay, and train them on other things, for example. And then you could actually sell that on the internet, okay? So once you understand how to create a product, okay, that's the first step to actually moving forward in building a successful online business. The second thing that you need is you need a marketing sales funnel, right? So now you've got your product or digital service that you want to market to a potential group of people. You need to be able to have a system where you lead your customers inside. You know, it takes them through some very, very specific steps and processes. It primes them to buy the product that you're selling, and then it leads them to that product, right? And to make this easier to understand, I've actually got a little whiteboard here. I hope you can see that, right? But basically, this is the best marketing funnel. Now, it took me 7 years to figure this out, okay? For the first 7 years, I was wasting a lot of my money. I was failing. I couldn't really figure out how to make this type of model profitable, okay? When I figured this out, this is basically, now you have the solution. You're not gonna have that issue, right? But the way it works is, the first part of your sales funnel is called a landing page. This is an opt-in page. Now, when people come here, they're going to see a little bit of sales copy about that product or the problem that your potential customers have. Now, in this case, it might be the problem of, you know, their dogs peeing on the carpet, right? So maybe it says something like, you know, would you like to learn how to stop your dog from peeing on the carpet forever, right? Now, if your customers want to find out more information, they've got to leave their email address in here. Now, when they leave their email address here, you start to follow up with them, and then it leads them to the second page. Now, this is the part that a lot of marketers, you know, the mistake that a lot of marketers make. Most of the time, people will just lead them to the actual product. Now, if you do that, you're not going to have very good conversions at all, right? Because all you've done is you've asked for an email and you're just selling the product to them. It's too salesy, okay? You need to add a lot of value. So what you do is you build something called a bridge page, right? You've got a little video of yourself where you're giving your potential customers some tips and free tricks on how they can stop their dog from peeing on the carpet. Now, if they want to find out more and they want to learn where, you know, the information that you learned and, you know, where you learned it from, you lead them. You get them to click on the link below, and it leads them to the actual product, and that's where they buy. Now, this part actually primes them for the sale, okay? A lot of people don't know this, but this is actually called a pre-frame page that will put your potential customers in the psychological state that they need to be in to actually buy the product. And this is a huge, huge trick that you can actually use in your business in order to get people to buy a very, very specific product. So the third and final thing that you need is traffic, okay? So what is traffic? Well, traffic is basically potential customers that actually see your stuff, see your product, and see your marketing sales funnel, right? Now you can go to places like Google, to Facebook, and even to YouTube to set up a free account and learn how to actually, buy ads and buy traffic. So just to give you an example, with the sales funnel, right, earlier, this right here is basically traffic, okay? So you're driving a lot of people to your websites, and you have to make sure that the traffic that you're driving are people that are interested in your product, okay? So if you're, selling a dog training product, make sure that you're driving, people that are interested in animals and dogs, or even cats, right at the start. If you're driving people that are interested in something completely different, like golf, then you're definitely not going to make any sales, okay? So I like Facebook in particular because Facebook is a really good way to actually target very specific people by interest, okay? And to start driving traffic from places like Facebook, all you have to do is go to their website and start a free ad account. It's very, very easy. It's the same with YouTube, and it's the same with Google as well, okay? So now you know the three things, okay, that actually comes together for you to build a very powerful business online. Let me know in the comments below, okay? If you like this information, please share this video. The amount of shares will tell me that you like this, and I'll continue to do videos like this, and I hope I'm adding a lot of value into your life and your business potentially, okay? So share the video, like the video, make comments, and if you want to take the next step and you want to spend a little bit more time with me, I'm actually doing a live web class, okay? I'm going to be doing it over the next few days. You can click on, there's a registration button somewhere, above this video or below this video. Just go ahead and click on that, and you can register for the free web class. I'm going to be showing you my exact sales funnel where I actually generated over $81,000 with, okay? So if this stuff interests you, I'm going to take you by the hand. I'm going to show you an inside look at my sales funnel, and I hope to see you at my web class. So take care. This is Aaron Chen. Thanks for checking out this video today.